What's up, guys? Hope you are doing well. Welcome back to Gossip Talk. Amber Heard is not prepared to allow her Johnny Depp trial verdict to sit, as her attorney is claiming that the actress is planning to appeal her loss. Heard and Depp first started dating soon after working together on the adaptation of Hunter S. Thompson's The Rum Diary and were married in 2015. Their marriage quickly became the topic of headlines, as in the following year. Fans saw that Heard has filed for divorce and is planning to get a restraining order against Depp, while charging different abuse allegations at the Oscar candidate, which he had already denied. However, the couple came out with a fairly peaceful joint statement at the finalization of their divorce, but things once again started to ramp up between Heard and Depp when the latter brought a libel suit against a UK publication group, citing him as a wife-beater. Johnny ended up losing that particular suit against The Sun magazine. After it was revealed that Depp has lost out on returning to the Fantastic Beasts franchise, Depp decided to sue Amber Heard herself for an op-ed that she published in the Washington Post that, however, there was no explicit name of Depp, but Heard accused him of a variety of reasons, including domestic abuses, sexual assault, which Depp felt has harmed his reputation and career. After a month of wild statements that were shared by both sides, Depp eventually came out winning the trial, however. Heard isn't ready to admit this thing. On the heels of the heavily publicized trial appearing to an end, the lawyer Elaine Bredehoft sat down in an exclusive interview to talk about the outcome of the Amber Heard and Johnny Depp defamation trial. The former's attorney criticized the jury for taking Depp's side in the case and said that Heard will appeal the trial verdict, which is because she can't pay for the damages that are owed to her ex-husband. In this interview, Bredehoft said, "Amber has some excellent grounds for it. She was demonized here. A number of things were allowed in this court that should not have been allowed, and it affected the jury to be confused. The damages are completely skewed. There are no damages." It ended on November 2, 2020, which is when the judgment came down in the UK, when the interviewer asked whether it was possible for her to pay for the damages. Bredehoft replied by saying, "Absolutely not." She said that what has happened here is a story of two trials. It's a horrible message. And according to her, it's definitely a setback. It's a critical setback because that's exactly what it suggests. Unless you pull out your phone and you video your spouse or your significant other beating you, you won't be trusted at all. While the jury has already ruled in the favor of the Pirates of the Caribbean star against his ex-wife, but Depp was still found responsible on one count of defamation against Heard, which resulted in the latter being awarded with $2 million in damages, while Depp was rewarded with $10 million. Heard herself spoke out about the trial verdict quickly after it was announced, by depicting her feeling as heartbroken by the judgment and assuming that Depp's lawyers succeeded in their alleged efforts to have the jury overlook her First Amendment rights in having written the op-ed that began the trial. Bredehoft's comments regarding the Depp trial verdict largely fall in line with that of her client's statement, which has criticized the outcome as a setback for other women who want to publicly address any household abuse that they've suffered in their lives. Thinking about the amount of money she would have to pay to her ex-husband, it's pretty obvious that Amber Heard would want to appeal the Johnny Depp trial verdict. Depp himself appealed the verdict of the first defamation suit against The Sun, accusing Heard of not following through on her promise to donate to charities with her damages, and the judge getting controlled by the actress, however. Depp ended up losing the appeal on the grounds as the donation was not a part of the original trial. As we all know that the latest trial has just only come to an ending point recently, only time will tell how Amber Heard will attempt to appeal the trial verdict.